Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sakitech 360. Today I am going to tell you about how to move pictures in Microsoft Word. So first we need to open our Microsoft Word, and we can see beside the home button, insert button, click on that, and next click on the fifth option, picture, and click on that and insert your picture there. And now we can reduce the size, but it can't move, so that we should click the position button. You can see on top, click on that and click. I am clicking the first one. You can click anything there. So we should open the position bar and click on first one, anyone, click on that, and now we can move the pictures easily. And the another option is that we can see the text wrapping beside the position bar. Click on the text wrapping button, and now next select the tight button there and click on that and move that where you want. And the another one is right click on the photo, and now you can see the text wrapping button. Click on that. See, you can see text wrapping button. Click on that and click on the tight option. You can see there. Click on the tight option, and now you can move the photo easily, freely, how you want. So guys, please subscribe my channel. I'll be in another video. Up to then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe.